Yo, what's good guys, it's Cyber, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this portal object effect in After. Before I start off, make sure to follow my socials down below and check out my website. I have a few editing packs up in there, and let's get straight to it. So to start off the effect, we just got to rotoscope our object. We're just going to double click into this layer, grab our rotoscope, and then just select our target. Alright, so once we have that done, we're just going to go to invert foreground and background. We're going to select that. Now you can see Jace is removed. From here, we're going to go to content aware fill on our right. If it's not here, you can go to your window panel and find content aware fill and just select that. And you can see on our content aware fill, we kind of have like a pink outline. All we're going to do is just bring up our expansion just a little bit to 15. Make sure your workspace right here matches the clip. And we're just going to select generate fill layer. This will take a minute, so let's get back to it when it's done. Alright, so once we're done, the clip is going to look something like this. All we got to do is grab the bottom layer, duplicate it, bring it to the top, and just click the invert foreground again. So we have Jace. We can hide him, just see he's isolated here. We can delete the roto brush from the bottom, and we can grab those two bottom layers and pre-compose them. So for our first effect, we're just going to grab a roughen edges. We're going to drag it onto Jace. And here we're just going to mess around with the border. We're going to bring it up to 500. And we're going to keyframe it. With the scale, we can just drop it down like a 40. And everything else is fine. Alright, so from here, we're just going to press T and grab our opacity. We're going to keyframe it to 0. We're going to skip a few frames and bring it up to 100. And we can press U to open up all our keyframes. And on our roughen edges border, we're going to drop it down to 0 as well. So we're going to see it kind of flows in like that. You can easy ease them by pressing F9. And from here, we can just drag them on and see what looks best. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the effect. It's not too hard, but we can spice it up by adding a blur to our bottom layer. So I'm just going to grab this sapphire blur. And I'm going to start the keyframe at 50 and go on and just drop it down to 0. So we have some like this. And this is how the effect turned out. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to follow my socials down below. Join up to Discord. Let me know what else you guys would like me to teach you. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one.